a short one. These are, I don't make a pressing run here. This one is called The Murder and the Saint. They gave their daughter the name of the patron saint of television. And television's been the one thing she always hated about him. Or was it the drinking that he hated more than her? The business has gone bad. I'm a failure. I'm not a man. He said he respected her. And then he'd call her a $20 whore from Vegas. And the mother would hold the child, the saint, the pure angel, hold her eyes and hope she couldn't hear.